Let's make Captain's Blood number 3. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make what I call Captain's Blood number 3. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I really hope you enjoy this drink. Note that I'm not a professional bartender. I'm a guy who likes to make drinks at home, and I hope you enjoy making drinks at home too. And if you do, this drink may be for you. Captain's Blood number 3 is probably the most common variant of the Captain's Blood. The original Captain's Blood was popularized in 1944 by Gaige, or Crosby Gaige's Standard Cocktail Guide. And that drink is horrible. It's on the short list of drinks that I hate. If you want to make that, check out the link down below. So a lot of people tried to make this drink better, and they added various things to do that, and this may be the most common variant. It is also the most variable of the variants. There's a lot of different ways to get the sweetness into this drink. I've chose one way, there are others, so if you don't like what I'm doing, try something else. A note on the rum. Most versions of this variant of the Captain's Blood call for a Jamaican-style rum. I'm going to be using Smith & Cross. If there's another Jamaican-style rum that you'd rather use, feel free to do so. And because there are some variants that don't use Jamaican rums, feel free to experiment with rums and see what turns up for you. As always, if you find something that you like, put it in the comments down below so I can see what you're doing. To make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 1.5 ounces of your Jamaican rum, or other rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Next, 1/4 ounce of your falernum. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Pour carefully. 1 full ounce of lime juice. A full ounce is 30 milliliters. Now the sugar. There are different ways to get the sugar. Some people say bar sugar, some say granulated sugar, some say simple syrup. I'm using a 2-to-1 simple syrup, and I'm going to put in a full teaspoon of that. Teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And this is a 2-to-1 syrup, in case I didn't say that before. Finally, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Clear a little space. And give it a shake. Ooh, ice, then give it a shake. Now we shake. Coupe or cocktail glass. I'm going to double strain this. And garnish. Lime wheel or lime wedge. I'm going to float a lime wheel right on top there. Does it float? It floats. And there you have it. Captain's Blood number 3. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite variant of the Captain's Blood? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to see your recipe. Note that there are ways to support the channel. I do have t-shirts. If you'd like a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media links, might as well follow me on those. Finally, if you've made it this far, give me a like and subscribe if you enjoy what I'm doing here. Otherwise, cheers. One 1/4 ounce of falernum. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Okay, there it goes.